Hey everyone, it's Zoe and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone's had a great week so far and a great Valentine's Day. Last week I did a super fun Valentine's Day look, so be sure to check out last week's video as well. It is divided into two parts though. Unfortunately, the last two clips of the video somehow got deleted once I posted it. They were there before, so those last two parts are linked in part 2. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing something that I struggle with every day, and that is eyeliner. Now, there are many different ways to do eyeliner, many different types of eyeliner, but today I'll be doing some of the ways that eyeliner works best when you can't see. I'll be showing you the products I use, some little products I use to kind of make them look better, and overall just how to make eyeliner a little bit easier when you can't see. Alright, so the first way I do my eyeliner is actually with eyeshadow. Now you're probably thinking, wow, this is kind of weird, but it actually makes it a little easier because it's not like a liquid form. I know you're saying just use pencil, but I sometimes find with pencil it's a little hard to control because the tip's kind of weird. So I like to use this flat top. It's actually a concealer brush. I'll show you guys here. It's a really good brush that goes right along your lash line. So I'm just going to take this makeup palette here and dip into the black shade. Let's get some of this. And the nice thing about this is it's easier to remove. If you make a mistake, you just take a Q-tip and you can fix the line. The brush is really good. You just put it right along your little lash line here. And with this one, it's a little harder to do a wing. I'll be showing you guys some ways to do a wing later. Alright, just put a little more in here, and that's it. As you can tell, there is a difference between the side and the side. Yeah, it's just another really easy way. Again, magnifying mirror, number one best friend. But yeah, I really like this brush. You just go right along the lash line. It's pretty easy to find. You just feel with your fingers. And yeah, that's the first way I normally do eyeliner. So another way you can do eyeliner, and this is with like an actual eyeliner that's meant to be used for eyeliner, is the Kat Von D tattoo liner. I really like this eyeliner because I like the tip. As you can see, it's kind of like a pen. This is just the mini one that I have here. So I also like this one because it's easier to do wings with it. It gets them right perfect. So I'm actually going to just go quickly put on a piece of tape. This way it's easier to draw a straight line, and then you can just make a point and bring it back down. Alright, now that I have a piece of tape on, I'm just going to take the liner here and I'm just going to do a quick line across, then I'll show you guys how I create a wing. Now, I sometimes even still mess up with this one, so just bear with me. Okay. And this one is another, sometimes it's a little funky, sometimes the product doesn't come out, so you do have to shake it a bit. Like right there, none of it came out. I'm just going along here and making a smooth line. Alright, there's just a little dot up there, but I'll just remove that. Now it's time to create the wing. So as you can see here, I just have a piece of tape. I'm actually gonna just raise it a bit, just so the line's a little more upwards. Okay, there we go. Now I'm just gonna take this and just do it smooth along here. I think that's that. Again, the line went a little under, so you can just grab your finger even and just wipe some of that away. Alright, and that's another quick way I can do eyeliner when you can't really see. Now if you do want to make the wing a little more thick, you can just take the same eyeliner, go back in and create the point. I just bring it back in a bit and then just fill it in. Alrighty, and yeah, that's how I do my eyeliner with this Kat Von D tattoo liner. Alright, so overall you can see that the eye with the eyeshadow is a little more just a basic line. The one with the liquid liner is a little bit more if you want to do something more fancy. Overall, they both do a good job if you can't see. However, it's just depending on the style that you want. These are the two normal ways I normally do eyeliner. I don't really use liquid liner and pencil much. If you want me to do a video showing my eyeliner struggles, let me know and I can do one just for fun. But I'm telling you, it's not going to turn out too great. So yeah, so I love both of these. They both work well, and yeah, so that's how I do my eyeliner. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please give it a huge thumbs up and leave a nice comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I post every Saturday at 2 Eastern Standard Time. Also, go follow my Instagram at Beauty Through the Eyes of Zoe for updates. All promo codes will be listed below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!